artist here, as he was painting it, he was stopped by a police officer, and the police officer immediately saw the gun and the flower, and this was then titled Guns N' Roses, because instead of the artist being jailed or persecuted, he was let free to finish his artwork. This is probably going to be one of my favorites of all, because this is done by Maryann Loo, and she has a dream of painting 100 trees all over the world. These are some of the best or some of the most famous areas of Sofia, with the baths down here where the penguins are bathing, the mosque over here to the right, the Catholic Church, tunnels that were built during the wars, and she loves penguins because she believes in imperfection. So these birds obviously can't fly, and that's why she's chosen these birds who are loving their beer or their wine, and they're just having a great time here in Sofia. This piece here is a tribute to Andy Warhol and to those original street artists who the highest epitome of doing street art was on trains. It was illegal in New York City, and very often private property, public property. So it's a tribute to the very first New York graffiti artists. Andy Warhol was the first person to make street art and graffiti art like commercial and make it profitable. This one I didn't hear what she said because I was recording, but these are obviously two famous people in the astronomical field. Ooh, I like that one over there too. I don't know what that one is, but if she doesn't talk about that one, I'll check it out. Look at that.
Think about a French animation and think about another.
Pink Panther.
It's from an animated movie called Thief and Their Cue. Oh, like we're all very young, so you cannot recognize it. Yeah, it's done by a group